Want to boost your Kvcore website's engagement and showcase your listings like a pro? Let's jump right into how to embed YouTube videos onto your Kvcore website, step by step. First, log into your Kvcore account. Next, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, navigate to the Web and IDX tab and click on it. Now, find and click on Custom Pages. To add a new page for your video, click the Add Page button located on the right. Now, add your title and content. This is where you will embed your YouTube video. First, go to YouTube and select the video that you would like to add to your page. Underneath the video you'll see a share button. Click it. Click on the Embed option that will show you the embed code you will need. Go back to your Kvcore page and click on the HTML icon to paste the code in. Paste the YouTube embed code into the HTML editor. Click the Save button, and then save again on the page you are creating or editing. Congratulations! Your YouTube video is now embedded on your Kvcore website, ready to captivate your audience.